Welcome everyone. Today's dish is Kashmiri Sweet Pulao. This dish is a beautiful combination of basmati rice, warm spices like saffrons and cinnamon, nuts, and of course sugar. I start by soaking 1 cup of basmati rice for about 30 minutes and also some saffron in warm milk. I'll bloom some spices, and once the spices get fragrant, I will start adding nuts. I have about 20 pistachios, 10 to 20 almonds split in half, 10 to 20 cashew nuts split in half, about a third cup of coconut slices. These are dry coconut slices. You can get them in Indian store or online. And once these nuts are fragrant, I will move on to the next step. Just make sure that you cook these nuts on low to medium heat. You don't want the nuts to burn, but you want them to be nice and fragrant. So here I am adding a cup of white rice. This is basmati rice. I soaked it for 30 minutes and then I drained it completely. And I'm going to saute this on medium heat till rice gets fragrant. But be very gentle because the grains are soft and they can easily break, and we don't want them to break. Adding a cup of brown sugar. And brown sugar because we are making this dish vegan. And if you are not vegan, you can just use regular sugar, white sugar. And I'm adding water, about a cup and quarter cup, and adding our saffron milk. Now I will stir it gently and bring this mixture to a boil. And once it starts boiling, I will turn the heat down to low, cover it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes on low. Here this has been cooking for about 20 minutes and it looks perfect. So I'm stirring it gently to make sure that everything is cooked, all the grains are cooked. And now it looks cooked, so I'm going to turn the heat off and cover it and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. This dish is very popular in Kashmir. It's part of every wedding feast. It's sort of like a dessert. It's something you are served right after the meal. Topping it with some black raisins. Full recipe on my website yogchakra.com.